My name is Vijay Kumar. I am the author of my upcoming book, The King Entrepreneur. I am a coach, trainer, and consultant. I have been interviewed by dozens of media. We are into three different business: manufacturing, exports, and coaching and consulting. The coaching and consulting business name is Indian New Business Guru, where I promote Mr. Murali's Dissolve Your Debt and Freedom from Debt program. So, how many of you understand bank statements don't lie? That is the reason why everybody lending money asks that. So what I'm going to teach you is a practical marketing, not theory. So which will fetch me 5 crore and above in revenues for my company bank account. So do you want to learn from a practical person who see more than 5 crore in bank account? Say yes. Okay. Before I begin, let me say this. Most of the business owners prepare their own failure by thinking like this. My business is different. Let me tell you, your business is not different. All business are money taking business. All business boils down to marketing and sales. And every business is a money taking business. Your business is not an exception. All business is marketing. And if you don't believe it, you will be in trouble. Sales solves many problems, marketing helps that. But entrepreneur is poorly prepared with the marketing and sales. They have a very casual approach to marketing. This casualness brings casualties. That's why they are stuck with the revenue, which leads to loss and debt. If you want to go on the road to recovery rate, I will suggest you, if you are going to take money, that money could be by marketing, not just marketing, effective marketing. So money can be taken by many way. You can take it as a loan, or you can sell your equity of your company and you can take. But I suggest you to do effective marketing. With marketing, everything is possible. Without marketing, nothing is possible. So people have not learned a practical marketing. Coronavirus has played football in many people's life. Lockdown has locked down many business. Now it's high time we need to take the road to recovery. Are you ready? Transform your business from cash eating monster to cash making machine. First, we start with business planning. One of the major reason for people for not succeeding is they never write their business plan. Almost 80% of the business owner, they don't write the business plan. They have a project plan, but they don't have the written business plan. If you provide the business planning, the investor has to lend money or they have to buy your company. If you have not done that way so far, let us do it now that way. Are you ready? Second thing is we should have a strategic plan. So what's our strategy? Strategy will take you from A to B, B to C. You need to be ready. What's our company strategy? Third thing we need to be ready with this is marketing strategy. Most of the SME I see, they are not selling to the right prospect. If they are selling to the right prospect, they might have become actually very successful. So I want to start with the prospect analysis of your company and a competitor analysis. Who is your competitor? Who is in competition on taking money from your customer? You need to do a competitor analysis and you need to have a marketing system because many people have a production system, operating system, all systems, but they don't have a marketing system. So we need to create a marketing system. So if you don't do all these things and you don't have a system in place, definitely you cannot attract a better client and customer to your business. Then again, your business will be in the debt only. So you need to improve on all these areas. Not only that, you need to create how to create an irresistible offer which your prospect client can't refuse. Because today, if there is a consumption before corona, there will be a consumption after corona also. There is no doubt. But are they going to consume from you? If they are not going to consume from you, how are you going to take money? Because the money will go to the most trusted place. So how the customer can trust? So we need to build trust by many ways. So the marketing system what we are providing will help you. And offers, you need to improve on your offers. How to create a irresistible offer which your prospect and client can't refuse will do a lot of work for you. You don't need to have any educational qualification or special skills to learn all this, and it's going to be very simple. Okay, so if you don't know how to write your house grocery list also, don't worry, no problem, just follow what I'm going to say, it will work for you. It's a very practical. Since I have very little time, I am putting just the slides outlines of what you are going to get from the program. Nobody wants your facts and figures and your features and benefits. You need to learn how to tell a story. Okay, so we need to develop a story for you. You need to become an authority of your product or service of your profession. It is not necessary that you have to be authority right now. There are certain things, if you add and subtract certain things with you, with your personality, you can become an authority overnight. How to bring that, I will coach you on that. and you have to plan to become a category 1 of your business, and it is absolutely possible. You don't think you don't require a big money or television budget or something like that. Whatever small business you are doing, even you are doing a revenue of 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs a year, in your business is absolutely possible. You have to go and climb that category. How to do that, I'm going to tell you. So you have to learn how to tell your story. I'm going to develop a story for you, and you need to aim to become a category of 1, and you have to become an overnight authority. The reasons why your business went to debt is we borrowed money for a high interest. Now it is not necessary that you need to go and borrow money only from the banks. If you are running a business for 3 years and you have at least 40 to 50 lakhs turnover and 1 year of profitability, you can apply for SME IPO. Now Indian government is providing that kind of facility. How many of you know about this? You see, 40 lakhs doing a transaction, even a trading company or a manufacturing company, and you are in the business for the last 3 years, and at least in 1 year you are in profitability, you are qualified to become a SME IPO company on the first round. Okay, so now the rules are bit loosen for the benefit of the SME. Okay, and there are also some other eligibility criteria, but this is all motivating for all the micro and small entrepreneur business. So we need to prepare for it. So today, if your business is in debt, it doesn't mean that you need to be in the debt for the lifelong situation. So you need to improve your marketing, and I'm going to tell you a few slides on how you are going to convert your debt-ridden business to SME IPO company. In this simple eligibility, how many of you want to list your company in a stock market? Okay, how to send possible to become a debt-driven business company to SME IPO company. So what are all the steps and measures you can take? I will guide you on that. Okay. Ultimate aim of any business entrepreneur is to take the company to stock market and sell the shares publicly. So today we all are suffering. We all are suffering for debt, means that we have gone through so much on the pain part. How about the pleasure part? So it is absolutely possible. Once we have gone through all, it is absolutely possible. If there is a day, there is a night. If there is a sun, there is a moon. So it's absolutely possible. It's the sides of the two coin. Only thing is we should not lose hope, and we need to prepare. Okay, and that day is today. How many of you are interested to send your competition out of business and make them run for their money? Okay, if you really do a good marketing, it will happen. Doing bad marketing, it is not possible. So I'll coach you on this. This all could be done for you within 21 days by me. Okay, so if you go with this kind of power in marketing, I'm telling you, totally you are going to smash. Actually, it's not a problem. Problems are opportunities, obstacles are power generator. Every problem is an opportunity to take one step towards our goal. Okay, you must be asking, what is the price of the program? See, the total value of the program is 49,900 rupees. I am not a trainer who is just doing in a training business. I am actually a business owner. I am doing business in a market, both in a local market and an international market. Okay, at least it should feed a value of fraction of my value of my time. Okay, so but this program is entirely free if you join our one-to-one coaching program.
Now, listen, if you are on the fence right now, just imagine what might happen if you don't take action. If you don't take action, the most likely scenario will be pretty simple. You will continue to work hardly, but money results will not show up. Your team will not cooperate with you. You will end up chasing new customer, but you will not get any. You will continue to wonder why you are not making any money. You can't even make love with your girlfriend or wife or with your husband. Your nervous system will not work because you are constantly worried about money. You will be wondering where to find money. You will be keep your family unhappy. Your employees will join your competition. You will struggle for each and everything. Your partners will desert you. You will wake up 7 years from now. Your business will not be worth any better. You will lose the collateral security which you have given it to your bank. Also, I want you to remind you about the competition. I hope you know the definition of sanity, doing the same thing again and again and expecting the different results unless you change your mind.
Join my Road to Recovery program.
I hope you have learned a lot in this presentation. When you take action and enroll in the program, you will learn much more. And most importantly, starting, building and growing business requires seriousness. The fact that you watch this entire presentation, that means you understand
how much you need this Road to Recovery program. Don't turn your back now. Join the program right now.